Wanted to make sure everybody was aware. In week 5, we have 2 assignments to do. So, as the announcement always does, it breaks it down into assignments 1 and 2. The first one is kind of interesting, and I hope you'll enjoy kind of writing a progress report memo about your educational journey thus far and where you plan on going with it. So, you're evaluating your personal educational goals. What are you working towards? Are you a nursing major, criminal justice, business? What do you have left to accomplish? What courses maybe do you have left? Were there any setbacks or successes along the way? And what is the end goal? So, why are you at Delaware Tech studying what you're studying? Is it for a job you're currently at, or is it at a job that you want to get to somewhere down the line? So, you're going to write a memo. And remember, there are always clickable links. So, this will take you to the progress report assignment sheet. And so, when we look at this, when it loads from D2L, and you can also access this through content, always read the assignment sheet. I think this is where some of us went a little astray in the last assignment. This is 100 points, and you're writing a memo detailing your path. And again, the same things that were in the announcement are here. The same questions we ask creating a memo. There are various examples in the textbook. But as always, if you go back out to the announcements, not only are there samples in the textbook, I try to put links to other samples. So, How to Write Progress Reports will take you to a website that will do just that, tell you how to write a progress report. And so, if you look, this person wrote it up as a blog. And if we open this up, we can see that she gives a lot of good information on how to make it visually attractive. And you're just doing a memo. You don't have to do something as fancy as she's done. But there are great things about, especially towards the bottom of this website, simple and straightforward language, right? Which is what we've been saying all along in tech writing. So, instead of utilize, use. Get in touch with, call or email. Document, report. She gives you side by side, avoid passive voice. This was the stuff that we took the test on that first week in class, right? The technical writing language test. But I want to go back out to the announcement and kind of remind you about assignment 1 and memo writing. Memo should have to, from, date, and subject in it. It should have an introduction. It should use headers. If you go even into the content portion for this week, for this assignment, and you look at memo writing, Unit 2 breaks down the progress report and it shows you how to write a memo sample here, how to write progress reports. That's the website I just took you to, using effective bullet points. You're going to write your memo, and then remember, you're going to upload it here so that I can grade it. How it's going to be evaluated is here. Explains how it will be graded. This is very important because, again, I think we're missing this crucial step of understanding how I'm going to be grading it. The format, memo format, this should be an easy 15 points. Is it organized with headings? Are they clear? Do they kind of show your progress of your education from start to maybe where you are now? What is the content? Is it a clear explanation of the goals? What is the language? Is it concise? Don't be overblown and be fancy just because you think it's going to get a higher grade. And then grammar, punctuation, these things are all important. And remember, as always, please reach out if you have any questions.